it to Utah. It looks like Nevada. So we just crossed over the border, so that's, I'm hoping, is why it looks the same. I would expect it to have a little bit different terrain, but we're just kind of looking at that right there. It's like a, what do you call it? A rain porthole?
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
We're making up our own words for things.
Been in the car a long time.
Yeah, it's been a long drive. I don't know if you can see, straight ahead, this road goes up to nowhere.
Right into the mountain.
Yep. You can see for miles on this road. It's really pretty though. I mean, at least we got a good view. That's pretty cool looking. Looked better, but I didn't get my equipment to load it. Hey, that rain porthole is raining on us right now. No obscene gestures from you, please. Well, maybe I'll come back in a minute if I can get another good view of that. Do we know what forest or mountains or I don't know what we're in? I don't remember a sign. This is really cool. Some awesome graffiti right there on that rock. I'll watch that, read that later.
Phone numbers on there.
Yeah, could be some important information on there.
E6753.
Yeah. Wow. We're way up there. Well, I think we're coming out of them. There's that cool, though I was trying to get that through them back there. It's like white, but it's not snow, right?
Looks like a gray color.
Yeah, grayish white. I don't know. Wonder what that is. I don't know, but it's pretty. I think it looks prettier because the sun's coming from, you know, the way it's hitting it. Gives it more of that reddish, orangey color. It really looks pretty good. Whoa, that was bumpy. There's like some kind of big arch over there. I wonder what that is. I wonder if that's one of the state parks or something.
It's gonna be correct. Before it falls off.
Well, luckily it's far enough away from the highway. There's some more little... To get that rainbow, there's a double rainbow. If you look right... Oh, stupid. Right here. There's another one. It's pretty light. There's a good view of that rainbow. I don't know where the second one went. I think it might have left, but man, that is awesome. I don't think I have ever caught a rainbow that good on camera. So this is another little ghost town. This is Cisco, Utah. And I did a little reading. It used to be here, flourished for railroad and stuff like that for several years. And then it just kind of, once the bypass, the I-70 bypass happened, the town basically just died. It's not too far up this road that you turn and go to Moab. So we're not really for sure, not really understanding why it just kind of died. It seems to me like, you know, it could have still been in operation, but you can see, there's a person back there. I don't know if he's just checking the place out or what, but there's a lot of somewhat modern vehicles that's been abandoned out here. I would imagine there's probably some people kind of camping out in different places here. That one actually over there almost looks like a livable quarters. But it's been vandalized and, of course, you know, fallen down and stuff. This town was actually used in the movies Thelma and Louise and Vanishing Point. So we thought that was pretty interesting. See, that looks like a livable quarters over there too, which someone was supposed to have bought several acres and built a house out here, so maybe one of those is it. But you can tell people are dumping trash and things, because that's what they do. A shame, really. Look, this like got a mud roof on the top of that old house. That is really cool. And then you got your barn / garage. But look at the beams that they use to build, make these little log places. How interesting. So this is just off of I-70. I think it was about 5 miles off of I-70. I believe that road from where that RV's coming from goes back to I-70. And obviously there's a little store or something over there, so somebody's trying to do something with the area. Somebody's creeping up on me. Yep. Anyway, we thought this would be a cool little stop. We found it interesting. Stuff like this always interests us. I can't remember the exact year of this town. Gosh, I just looked it up not too long ago. I can't remember what it was, but...